Hello, good morning and welcome to the LibreOffice Ubuntu Conference 2023. A few introductory words about LibreOffice from Italo Vignoli, one of the founders of the LibreOffice project. We are in a large market. Analysts estimate a value of over 28 billion US dollars in 2023 and a value of over 31 billion US dollars in 2025. So the market is growing. We know that our largest competitor in this market are Microsoft Office and Google. But we have a distinctive position to remember. We have some unique characteristic that can make us different from all the other Office suite. The first one is our community. We have a large community which is really global. We are in many countries in different continents with volunteers and with ecosystem companies. We work all together to make LibreOffice better, to make LibreOffice the best Office suite ever. We started to work on LibreOffice code in 2010 when we forked from OpenOffice. So during the years, we had several cycles. The first was focus on code cleaning, the second on code refactoring, and this has made possible to develop features that before 2010 were considered impossible for the software. Then we focus on the user interface, and we made it flexible. A user can choose between a user interface similar to Microsoft Office or the traditional user interface. It's up to him to decide which is best for his workflow. Then we have added platforms. LibreOffice started on the desktop, but today is available on mobile, on the cloud, on Chrome OS, and also on other platforms. This is all possible because of the work that has been done in the previous years. And with LibreOffice 7.x, we have focused on document compatibility to provide the best interoperability with Microsoft Office document. Although we should always remember that Microsoft Office documents are not standard by any mean. They are different from the standard approved and recognized by ISO, and they are different from the description of the standard which is on Microsoft Office website. So they are basically a proprietary format because it's not documented completely and is not compliant with any standard. And this is a visual that explains this difference. LibreOffice is tightly integrated. We use the same common productivity engine for all platforms. We have the Open Document format, which is a true standard format, is the same recognized by ISO, is the same that is written, saved, printed by LibreOffice in its different flavors. So if you create documents on the desktop, on mobile, on the cloud, the document will be the same with a huge advantage in terms of interoperability for those that use the ODF standard. This is the different approach used by Microsoft Office and all the other Office suite. They have decided to develop a different engine for each platform. So they have a word processing engine for Windows, for mobile, and for the cloud, and the same for spreadsheets and presentations. This means that they produce slightly different documents. They have slightly different user interface, and that creates interoperability issues even within the same product. You all know that there are documents that have been written by old version of Microsoft Office for the desktop that are not readable with the current version of Microsoft Office for the desktop. And this not only represents an issue, but represents a cost if you are deploying Microsoft Office in an enterprise. Last distinctive advantage of LibreOffice is the number of languages. LibreOffice is available on over 120 ship languages. And there are even more active language projects, which means that we will announce new language version in the future. There are over 4,600 registered translators, and they are making hundreds of thousands of translations. LibreOffice is available in more native language versions than any other desktop software. And this is very important for languages that risk to be forgotten because no one takes care of them. Of course, this is not the case of languages spoken by many people like Indonesian, but it's important that even minority in each geography can have the software localized in their native language, because this is what makes open source important, different, and fundamental for our world. All the strength that I have summarized in the previous slides are summarized by this image, by this logo. LibreOffice technology is very important. We invite all the people that are involved in the project to use this logo, because this logo will represent the uniqueness of LibreOffice in comparison with other software. It's very important that we remember people that we are not just a product, we are a community, we are a technology, we are something that is different. If you want to be different, LibreOffice is definitely your choice. If you want to be one of the millions that use the average, the standard, the de facto standard that use what every other individual is using, then you can choose whatever software you want. You will never be a different person. You will never be a different individual. You will never make a different choice, because you follow the main trends. LibreOffice is different. LibreOffice is not following the main trends. LibreOffice is unique. And thank you very much for listening. And I would say bye-bye, and I would be in Indonesia as soon as possible. This year it wasn't possible because I've just moved home, and my personal commitments are focused now on and setting up in my new home in a proper way. And a special thanks to Haris and Rania, who has made all this possible. Friends, I will be in Indonesia soon. Bye-bye, and thank you again.